Hello, everyone. Good day. My name is Favor, and today I'm going to be walking you through how to download and install Cisco Packet Tracer on your device. So, Packet Tracer is actually a software that was designed by Cisco NetAcad to help you learn about networking. So, if you're a beginner in cybersecurity or you are learning about networking and you need to understand how devices communicate in a network, Packet Tracer is that simulation tool that will help you understand everything in an easy way. So let's get right into it. First, you have to visit NetAcad, the official website. So it's www.netacad.com. That's the first link we have here. So you click on this link and it's going to bring you to this page. Yes. So now all you have to do is click on this login. If you don't have an account, this is where you have to sign up. But if you have an account, please proceed to login. I'm going to be showing you how to create a new account for those of us that are completely new. So you click on this sign up and it's going to ask you some questions. Please fill in the correct details. I'm going to be using random details here. None of this information belongs to me. They're all fabricated. So I'm going to be using Ghana. Oh no, Ghana, and state. I would use Ashanti. Date of birth. I'm going to be using okay, 1995. Month August. Please make sure you fill in your correct details here. And then first name, I'm going to use Favor. That's my name. So this one is not fabricated. Last name, I'm going to use, yeah, let me use Pearl. And email address, I'm going to be using my email address here. I already have an account with my main email address, so I wouldn't be using that. Paste it, and I'm going to use a strong password. Please always make sure you use a strong password when you are creating accounts. Okay, you have your terms and conditions here. You have to agree to them. So you click on accept and continue. Now, this is the main interface after logging in. So if you already had an account and you tried to log in, this is what you would see. Now you come to courses, articles, research, this place that has a search button and type in packet tracer. It's going to show you this. So the option you are picking is getting started with Cisco Packet Tracer, the course. That is what you are going to pick. Now you click on get started with self-paced. That would automatically enroll you for the course. Now you should have this. You can actually take the course to understand how to use Packet Tracer, but we want to download. So you move to this particular place phase. Now all you have to do is click on this link. We are now at the resource hub. Now it's going to show you different packages for different types of operating system. So if you use a Mac system, you should download the first one. If your operating system is Ubuntu, the second one is for you. Now, if you use a Windows system, the third one is for you. I use a Windows system, so I'm going to click on Windows. Automatically, it's going to start downloading. You can see it here. It's done downloading. Now let's launch it. You have to you have to accept their terms, the license agreement to proceed. And this is where it's going to be. located, program files, Cisco packet tracer. You can decide to change the location, but I'm going to leave mine as the default. So I'll click on next and Cisco packet tracer. Yeah, this is going to be the name. Click on next. It's going to create a desktop shortcut for me. You can also create a quick launch shortcut. Click on next and ready to install. So all you have to do is click on install. Now the installation is complete. All you need to do is click on finish. Wait, it's going to ask you if you'd like to run multi-user when the application starts. I would click on no, but if you like to run multi-users, then please click on yes. Okay, so it's launching. I like to click on this option to keep me logged in for 3 months because I don't have the energy to start authenticating every time. So when it's turned on, you don't have to log in for 3 months before you are asked to log in again. Now that you've turned it on, you click on login. So from here, it's opened a new tab for us to log in to be authenticated. So this is my email and this is my password. So I'm going to click on login. Yeah, you've successfully logged into Cisco Packet Tracer. You may close this tab. Thank you. So now, yes, this is it. We're fully logged in. This is your workspace. If you're completely new, this is your workspace. At this left corner, lower left corner, you're going to see all the devices and everything you're going to be working with. This is your PC. You can click on it, drag to bring it to your workspace. Your laptop, you can click on it, drag, and it's on your workspace. Server, whatever it is that you need to connect, they're all here. They're all here. These are the various kinds of cables that we have that you can use to connect different things. I'm going to attach the link to download Cisco Packet Tracer on this video in case you're having difficulties locating it. All right, that is it for today. Do well to subscribe so when next we drop educational content, you can be notified about it. Thank you very much for joining.